Welcome to Anaheim premiere. It is day one here, Sunday. It is the year of the fire horse, baby. It's all about alignment and momentum. And that's exactly what we've had here at our booth in collaboration with my very best friend, Lighten Up the World, Christine Carver. She's killing it back there with the booth sales. Our tools, as well as our patented designs, are flying off the shelves. You guys, the PBA is just about to announce the NAHA nominees for 2026. Let's go check it out.
We have a very...
Woo! Sonia! Oh yeah, she's dope too. Steven! Woo! Oh, those are some heavy hitters. Hell no. Oh! I just found out I am a finalist for Educator of the Year for NAHA, which is the North American Hairdressing Awards. Crazy. Not only that, but listen, the people in my category are legendary legacy hairdressers that have been in the industry decades longer than me, like Sonia Dove, the creative director of Wella, Stephen Mooney, who used to be creative director for Vidal Sassoon and now for Paul Mitchell. This is nuts. Listen, I know I'm not gonna win against these bangers, but just being in the category with them, it's an incredible honor.
And before I jump off really quick, I just want to say who's with me. Come here, JuanCarlos.
Yes.
Come here, whoop-de-whoop. So this is JuanCarlos Zazueta, Hair by JuanCarlos on Instagram. This man right here is also on the Bumble and Bumble Collective.
Yes, he is.
He's also been my team member for the past 6 years, and it's really cool because I feel like this is another piece of the story and the full circle moment and the legacy is that he actually, being on my team, had an opportunity to meet one of the salon owners who I've taught at her salon a few times, and then ended up being her Bumble and Bumble Network educator, and now is on the team with me. And so to me, that's really showcasing the foundation of what we're really about, where it's not about just one person being the rock star, but really coming together, because if we make each other shine, then we're gonna all rise. So that's what we're here to do, and we're about to go on.
But we only have 45 minutes, so I want to give just the important takeaways of each technique, and that's why I'm getting prepped for that.
Okay, cool. Let's do it.
Our mannequins are prepped, and yeah, we're ready. We're, normal stomach, little butterflies, little nerves, We're gonna kill this. Let's do it.
Do you want an introduction?
So we'll play the 2 videos, and then you'll be like, well, we're gonna say Josh and I'm probably gonna be here.
Be able to turn your head all the way.
Yes.
You know what, Ashlee? I don't see a lot of people that look like me in this class, and I want to change that. Not only did I accept her challenge to make my education more inclusive, I brought her on my team. So for the last 6 years, we have been working together, we have been collaborating, we have been cross-training each other, and I'm proud today to be able to put together a collection for you guys, a 2-model collection that includes texture because of Jennifer.
Can I get a picture?
Oh yeah, sure. Oh, gracias. That's a boss. He's not just a bleach blonde boss. He's a boss.
Not boss like you, girl.
Thank you. Nice
meeting you.
You look so pretty. I really like you.
I love your printer. So cute. You look great. Oh, thank you.
That is so inspiring.
Thank
Good?
you. Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I have so much respect for your teaching.
Some questions.
Oh my God, yes.
I was so scared you wouldn't want to.
No.
I can't believe this.
Ah.
This means a lot to me.
The other day I was going to reach out to you because I had some trolls on TikTok, and I was going to be like, Jeremy, can you help me out?
Sit in this way, girl. I did not realize I'd be learning so much.
Ashlee Norman Academy has awarded 4 members of the Beacon program to come and take my education next month. She was so fast. She was like, boom, boom, boom. True to my values and my core, making sure that my team is reflective of that same value system. Yeah. Okay, boomerang. Should we do kiss?
Oh yeah, kiss.
Okay, that's always the easy one. Pretending like we don't see the camera.
We're pretending what?
We're not looking at the camera.
Oh.
We're just talking.
Okay.
But we're being filmed.
Oh, okay.
So, oh my God, was that not the coolest thing?
Thank you.
So cool.
Oh,
yeah,
huh?
You too. this is the deal. Today is the full day class, so we have to start with the theory lecture, the demonstration, and then after lunch we have to facilitate hands-on. So we have to make sure everyone gets that one-on-one attention. They feel like whatever they get out of today and whatever their investment was refunded to them in full.
100%.
I could use a sugar-free Red Bull and a protein bar. Breakfast of champions.
That's what happens when you stay up late watching your stories a million times over and over again.
It's like, oh, look at us. Oh, look at us. We're the coolest.
What's up?
Bring the energy. You're the best. Did they hire you? I've been wanting to meet you. Aw, thank you. I feel like I have like a whip.
Oh, careful, Chris. Show of hands. How many of y'all are staying for the hands-on part? Oh, that is great. Well, thank you so much for being here, for sharing this Monday with us. If you have a question in your head and you're a little shy about doing so, this is a nice, small, intimate group. Hairdressers that empower hairdressers. Chris, kick it.
Video. When it comes to methods of separation, there's really only 4 in the world of hair highlight. Let's talk about the pros and cons of each and why we would choose which one to solve what problems. When you're painting, however, you're using a lot of product and very light pressure with the brush vertical. You don't want to break through the top of the cake. You also don't want to see the cake through the frosting. Let's talk about the teasing. Here's the thing about the zigzag. Because it comes to little points, that creates an interlock of positive and negative triangles. So that's how you get that perfect zip together. So let's say I'm growing out 50% and blonding 75%. If I want to have a crest of a petal or gradients that falls round rather than square, especially around that front area, she wants that little drip.
Say to clients that like you're transitioning, because you know when you start trying something new, you don't really want to say like, oh, we're trying something new.
We actually coach them into it. People bring in the photo. I want this. So to me, it's really about, okay, well, let's look at this photo. That's the conversation that comes into the consultation. What I'm seeing here is this. Are you seeing something different? Is this what you actually want? It's really, really, really important. If they're like, no, I like this picture, this is what I want. Okay, well, in order to achieve that, what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna shift your part over because I need to create balance. There's no reason to force them into something if that's not what they really want. But if it is what they want, then you explain why you're doing it.
You're doing great with your capsule.
So JuanCarlos is coming up here whispering in my ear and telling me that I'm taking too long.
I'm hungry.
What time is it, by the way? Are we already over time? Oh, half an hour later.
Can we take a picture?
Yes, absolutely. Let's do it.
Thank you for a great class. Just seeing you was worth it.
I think it's hard as artists, but also too, like, just like to stay relevant. It's just, it's not easy, man. And so it's like, damn.
But no, I see what you're doing and I love it.
One time we should collaborate.
I don't know why we haven't.
I have to go back up there because we're doing hands-on next.
See you.
It's great to see you. When I saw you, I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah.
I got 3 brands and 3 kids.
JuanCarlos.
And JuanCarlos. If one row is really thick and one row is really skinny, what's gonna happen?
One's gonna have more depth than the other.
Yes. So if I grab one packet, that's like 5 foils at a time. It speeds me up a little bit. Don't comb from on top because then you're gonna be pushing them out already. Resist the urge to turn this on until you're into position. Don't turn it on, don't turn it on, don't turn it on. Not doing any of this.
Okay.
But if you bring the air down here, then you'll tangle all the rest of the hair at the root. Now, without moving this, just bring your hand down more. See that?
So let go of this and do it correctly on our client later. For a second, I thought that was the building. It's just someone's phone. It's yours. It's coming from the bag. Okay, well. Sorry, I was just trying to be, you know what? When your future's too bright, I'm just kidding. I want full saturation behind that comb. I'm relying on the zigzag and the percentage of teas to break up that line of demarcation.
Te voy a ayudar a llegar a donde están ellos, así para que no te atrases.
¿Tú también eres cosmétolo?
So if all you did differently was start taking your tip outs and over directing it, it's gonna be so much prettier. Gotta wait for the beat. There was no beat drop. So I wanna leave a little bit of space of depth. JuanCarlos.
What's up?
So like, you know, Chris and I were talking dirty to each other over there. Have a little weird audio. Yeah, no, they're killing it. They got it.
What's that technique called?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Looking good, looking good. So the trick to getting those a little sharper, instead of like holding it back here, try holding it even there. Draw like sharper zigzags.
Finished that pretty quick. Do you feel like you understood the technique well?
Absolutely, yeah.
What'd you think, brother?
Incredible, man. I never knew there was so much technique. I mean, mind blown.
Yeah, hi, hello. I thought it was really smart placement. I loved it. I think it gave me a new way of thinking.
A lot of takeaways. I think a lot of the trouble that I have is my placement, and Ashlee helped just kind of frame what every single foil does for us.
Day 2.
Oh man, my feet are on fire. I just finished the class. How was the booth?
My feet are on fire. The booth was amazing. I feel like I lost my voice. I'm a little hoarse.
She's hoarse in the year of the fire horse.
Oh my gosh, is that a coincidence? Well, congratulations, because there was a guy that came down from your class that only came to the show for your class. He flew in this morning and he was flying back home right after. So many students came here and were like finding out about you and me and going to our sites, and they're excited to go to your Vegas class, which was super inspiring to me. Wait, let me tell you the best story. There was a mom, and I thought it was just like a group of friends, and the more they talked to us, the mom was in school with her daughter. In hair school. They were graduating in May, and they're thinking about going to the Vegas class.
Oh, nice.
It was so fun, like seeing that.
Good.
So, yeah, well done.
You feel like it was worth it?
Absolutely. Orlando, here we come.
Tell Ashlee.